Yo, how's it, Mike?
How's it, Paul? How you doing?
Good, and you, man?
Good, thank you very much.
Thanks for having me today. Here she is, eh?
Should we go for a little spin?
I think so.
Let's go.
Let's do this. Shot, Mark, for showing me your Golf 7R today.
No stress anytime, thanks for having me.
Been dying to get into a Golf 7R. I've never had the chance to experience one. I've experienced the 7, the GTI, not the R. So yeah, so give me a little bit of a breakdown. When did you get this car?
Got it about a year and a half ago, and can't say I've looked back.
Really?
Got a great decision.
Did you get this brand new? Did you second hand or?
Bought it as a demo. It had 22,000 kilometers on the clock.
Okay.
So every scratch on here almost I've put, unfortunately.
Well, to be honest with you, looking around, I mean, I don't see anything really, and it does. It looks brand new. So well done on keeping it in great nick.
Thank you.
You just said to me that you have never looked back since. What did you actually own before this car?
Before this I had a Soraka R.
Okay.
Fantastic car, looks pretty on the road, it stands out, but you can't compare with four-wheel drive, especially when you're going with modifications.
Yes.
There's nothing you can do with front-wheel drive.
Yeah, you couldn't put the grip down.
Just couldn't put the grip down, and you get to a limit, and once you get to that limit, you just spin first, second, third. You've got no chance. Obviously, they say real driver's car's manual. I had the Renault Megane R26.
Sure, yeah.
So that was the limited edition one.
Yes.
Fantastic road car, fantastic handling. But when I got this, even though it's DSG, it handles a lot better. It just sticks around corners.
Sure.
And in the rain that we've been having lately, it's kind of complex.
Smooth.
Yeah, braking is fantastic.
Yeah, damn speed bump.
But from first gear, if you do first gear rolling, nice.
Sure. Wow. That's incredible. Now, were you changing, or was it all on the?
That was the computer, and then I changed.
Okay.
I short-changed the one.
You can feel the difference with the four-wheel, you know, the all-wheel drive, so the way it grips, oh god,
it's a different level.
Different level. Sure, dude, after that drive, honestly, I can see why you love this vehicle. Like I said, I've never experienced the Golf R. The all-wheel drive is incredible, the way it puts down the power. I can see that. You can feel what is going to the back, you know, the way it pulls you back into the seat. I won't lie though, this is a very comfortable car. I was actually shocked. I expected this to be quite a rough car, quite a hard suspension setup, you know what I mean? It is stiff, I can feel that, but it's super comfortable in here. It feels luxurious, you know what I mean? They really put some thought into the interior as well. And yeah, sounds like a beast. Now, based on the sound, what have you done to this car? Have you done any modifications or?
So far, the only thing I've done is a downpipe.
Okay.
I'm planning a long list of modifications, but for now I just wanted a downpipe. Just had a little bit extra of sound that I think the car did need.
and you can feel the noticeable difference with the downpipe.
Correct, 100%.
So no software, just the downpipe. Sure. Okay. Well,
Correct.
as my first experience in an R, this was incredible. I'm sure the standard R is amazing, but I mean, obviously with the downpipe now, you've added some horsepower. It's got that grunt as well, which I love. You know, you can hear more of the turbo as well. So yeah, dude. I mean, this is incredible, and thank you for this experience.
No problem.
Appreciate it.